Healthcare should never be limited to buildings. It should reach people wherever they are. So we ask ourselves, what if healthcare did not wait for the patient to come to it, but it can directly drive it to them? Introducing Clinics on Cloud Mobile Medical Unit. It is not just a van, it is a self-sustaining preventive healthcare infrastructure on wheels.
What's inside the mobile medical unit? Step inside and you'll realize every inch has been thoughtfully designed to deliver the experience of a modern clinic without being tied to one location. Inside its compact, durable, and fully air-conditioned frame, the mobile medical unit houses a complete medical workstation. While it operates primarily on standard electrical power, the unit is also equipped with an integrated generator and inverter backup to guarantee uninterrupted care anywhere. In just a few minutes, a single patient can undergo a thorough preventive checkup covering over 65 critical health parameters, including a hospital-grade 12-lead ECG, blood pressure, blood glucose, HbA1c, lipid profile, and vital signs. Because diagnosis is only the beginning, patients can instantly connect with qualified doctors via secure real-time video teleconsultation right from inside the vehicle. Powered by robust 4G and Wi-Fi connectivity, certified clinical data is instantly processed. This generates an intelligent, color-coded diagnostic report delivered directly to the patient's WhatsApp and email within minutes. The thoughtfully designed clinical space also features a professional work desk and a dedicated examination bed tailored for further advanced diagnostics. What truly sets the mobile medical unit apart is its adaptability. Beyond core diagnostics, the unit is intentionally designed with highly versatile extra space inside the cabin. This dedicated area can be used entirely as per your vision to integrate advanced clinical modules. This includes biochemistry analyzers, portable digital X-ray systems, dedicated breast cancer screening modules. Its fully customizable exterior allows governments, corporates, NGOs, and leaders to showcase welfare schemes, CSR initiatives, and community impact directly to the public. No unloading dozens of devices, no assembling temporary clinics, and no complicated setup. Just arrive, deploy, screen, consult, generate reports, and move on to the next community.
This mobile medical unit is not just a vehicle, it's a promise. A promise that quality healthcare service should never be dependent on someone's PIN code.
Clinics on Cloud Mobile Medical Unit, building the infrastructure layer for the global microclinic economy.